Major landforms. Main points. Continents and landforms. Oceans and other landforms. We can see land and water on the surface of the earth. Land covers 29% of the earth and water covers 70% of it. Big land masses on the earth are called continents, and big water bodies on the earth are called oceans. Do you know it? Nearly 250 million years ago, all continents were at one place called the Pangaea or supercontinent. Continents. Continents are land masses. There are 7 continents. According to their size, these continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. All continents on the earth are surrounded by oceans. Land is not same everywhere. It has many forms like mountains, hills and valleys, plateaus, plains, and deserts. Mountains. Mountains are very high land with different height and shape. The highest point of the mountain is called its peak. Peaks of very high mountains are covered with ice all the time. Mountains have sloping sides. When several mountains are together, these form a range of mountains. Mountains have little soil on the surface, so it is not possible to grow crops there. Mountains have cold climate and only some animals can be used for transportation. So the population is thin. Forests on the slopes of the mountains are very useful for us and provide us with very useful products. Some mountains are rich in minerals. Many rivers pour down from mountains. Mountains also act as a barrier for cold and hot winds to enter in the main area. All these make mountains important for us. Some mountains are small in height. These are called hills. Many hills together form a range. Deep land between two mountains or hills is called a valley. Rivers and streams flow through these valleys. Valleys are inhabited by people in great numbers. For example, Kangra Valley in Himachal Pradesh is famous for its beautiful natural surroundings. Plateaus. Plateaus are higher land but shorter than mountains. Plateaus have a flat top like a table, so these are also called tablelands. Plateaus have steep slopes. Tibetan Plateau is the highest and the largest plateau in the world. The Deccan Plateau in the southern part of India is also a large plateau. Some plateaus have rich mineral sources. Most plateaus have cold climate and the growing season is short there. Mostly cattle and sheep are reared on these plateaus. Plains. Plains are flat, low-lying areas of land. Plains are made from the mud and soil brought and deposited by the rivers coming out from mountains. For example, the Ganga Plains are made by the river Ganga and the Indus Plains are made by the river Indus. Plains formed in coastal areas are called coastal plains. The eastern and western coasts of our country have coastal plains. Plains have fertile soil, which makes the land suitable for agriculture. The flat land of plains is suitable for construction of roads, bridges, and railways also. A good network of transportation makes the plains well populated. Deserts. Deserts are dry areas with little or no rainfall. So this area is not suitable for the growth of plants. There are two types of deserts, hot and cold. Hot deserts are full of sand and these have a hot, dry and windy climate. Due to strong winds, sand blow to a long distance and collect there as a huge hill. This is called sand dunes. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is the largest hot desert of the world. The Thar Desert in the western part of India, which covers parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat and enters into Pakistan. Cold deserts are frozen land, so no plants grow there. The Antarctica is the coldest and driest desert in the world. Polar regions are also frozen. Gobi Desert is also a cold desert. Water bodies. Oceans and seas. Oceans and seas are the large water bodies. These surround the continent. There are 5 oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It covers nearly 33% of the Earth's surface. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It lies in the Arctic Circle. Seas are smaller in area than oceans. Some examples are the Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Caribbean Sea, and Arabic Sea. The land area around seas or oceans is called a coast. The coast of a sea can be low, high, flat, sandy, or rocky. The low, flat, and sandy coast of a sea is called beach. We can see waves in the sea. Waves are formed in seawater due to blowing of wind over it. High waves cause trouble to boats, ships, and people in sea. If there is an earthquake on the floor of the sea or ocean, it causes very high waves called tsunami. It can damage the coastal areas. Rivers and lakes. Rivers come out of the mountains due to melting of snows or heavy rains in the mountains or hills. Streams are formed due to heavy rains, and these streams join together to form a river. The Ganga and Indus are snow-fed rivers, but the Tapti, Narmada, and Mahanadi are rain-fed rivers. A large water body which is surrounded by land from all sides is called a lake. The Vular Lake is the largest lake in India. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. Some other landforms. Islands. A piece of land surrounded by water from all sides is called an island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the 2 groups of islands in India. Some islands are in seas or oceans. Peninsula. A piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. South India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, and the Arabian Sea on 3 sides. Strait. A strait is a narrow stretch of sea that joins 2 land pieces. The Palk Strait joins India with Sri Lanka. Bay. When sea water fills a large curve of land, a bay is formed. The Bay of Bengal is a water body in the eastern side of India. Isthmus. A narrow piece of land which has seas on both sides and which joins 2 big land pieces is called an isthmus. The Isthmus of Panama joins North America and South America. Valued facts. Seas and oceans are cheaper mode of transportation. Awesome fact. All continents were together some 250 million years ago. Let's learn new words. Landmass, a large piece of land. Landform, form of land. Let's remember. Continents are large land masses. 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, plains, and deserts are different landforms. Seas and oceans are large water bodies covering nearly 71% of the Earth's surface. The 5 oceans in the world are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean.